Good morning. We're back here at the Sage Creek Cottage, and we're in the trim process. So I want to take a second, and behind me you can see the windows look like they might be foggy. That's because outside the painters are prepping the building for exterior paint, and so the windows have all been covered in plastic. And we're literally in the middle of the trim process here. So rather than show you when it's 100% done and everything looks perfect, I'd like to show you, what we're doing as it goes in place. In our prior video, we talked about painting and how a quality painter can really make the fit and finish of your home, give you that look that you're looking for in your custom home. As we talked about in that video, our trim package has now been delivered from ACI, where it was stained and cleared in a controlled environment, and we're in the process of installing it. Now you'll also see behind me that the casing and wraps on these windows look larger than they do in a lot of homes. And that's because at Northridge we use a full 1/2-inch thick, 3.5-inch wide casing on all doors and windows. We use a full 5/4 by 5-inch header on all doors and windows. And also as a standard in our dining room, living room, and front entry, which is considered the living area, entertaining area slash, we do a full wrap on all windows and doors, and that's just a standard of our product. So at this point, the trim carpenters have installed everything, and we're getting ready for the painting crew to come and do their walkthrough on the interior. And when they do that, they'll fill all the nail holes, check every seam, touch up anything that needs to be touched up, and just give it that fine, perfect look that we're looking for in a custom home. Another piece to our trim package that's a little different than other builders is that we use a full 5-inch base that helps go with the whole thickness and quality look of all of our window wraps. A lot of people use a base that's 2 1/4 or 3, but that 5-inch base really goes with everything and makes the whole thing pop.